What's up, guys? So my master cylinder has been leaking fluid from the seal for some time now. I was initially gonna replace the seals, but I thought that I'd just replace the whole thing to see if I could get any bump in brake performance. Today we are going to install and review the performance of the RCB S1 brake master cylinder and clutch perch. These come in both 14 and 17 millimeters. I got the 14 millimeter master cylinder as I think that the 17 might be a bit bigger for a 2-piston caliper. There are a ton of videos on how to install this kit on YouTube, so I'm just gonna fast forward through that part. The installation was quite simple. Just keep in mind that you need to reroute the brake hose a bit for it to reach the new position of this system. I thought that bleeding the system would be an issue. Thankfully, the master cylinder has its own bleed screw, which made things much easier. Okay, so now that we've got everything installed, let's see if these upgrades actually make any difference. Right out of the bat, I can see that the feel of the clutch lever is more ergonomic. The pull and tension are still the same, the lever just feels nicer. Note that the clutch lever is not adjustable, but the travel is a bit shorter than the stock one. Okay, let's move on to the performance of the brakes. I'm gonna see whether they feel any different. I can't honestly say that the feedback from the brakes have improved. I wouldn't necessarily say that this has more braking power, but it definitely feels like it bites a bit faster. The stock one just seemed a bit wooden in comparison. I've heard that the Brembo-centered brake pads improve the stopping power quite substantially, and that's what I'll be doing next. Don't get me wrong, the stock brake system is fairly adequate for this bike. I'm just trying to improve them as much as I can without changing these calipers. So stay tuned for that video as well. As always, thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful in any way, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for similar content. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.